Envision a world where over 200 nationalities come together. A world where music speaks a language shared by all. A world where reality and dreams intertwine. Every summer, in the charming town of Boom, Belgium, a remarkable saga unfolds. Welcome to Tomorrowland. For millions, Tomorrowland holds an appeal beyond just music. It's an adventure that beckons to be experienced. But for first-timers, excitement can swiftly morph into bewilderment. How do you obtain tickets? What will the expenses entail? What essentials must you pack? Is DreamVille the right choice for you? And what mistakes should you avoid to safeguard your experience? In this comprehensive guide, we will arm you with everything you need to know before entering Tomorrowland. We'll cover tickets, transportation, accommodations, budgeting, safety, food options, and insider secrets. No matter your origin, whether from the US, Europe, Asia, Australia, or elsewhere, this guide is your key to an unforgettable Tomorrowland experience. Welcome to KrossTrail. Let's dive in. Chapter 1, the story of Tomorrowland. The story of Tomorrowland began in the year 2005. What started as just another electronic music festival became so much more. Tomorrowland was envisioned as a festival that went beyond the norm. Its founders aspired to build a magnificent universe, a colorful realm where storytelling, art, architecture, technology, and music fused into a stunning spectacle. Today, Tomorrowland attracts adventurers from every corner of the earth. People travel vast distances just to be part of it. Some save meticulously for several years. Others create entire vacations centered around this festival. Every new edition reveals a fresh theme. Each theme transforms the venue into intricate realms of fantasy. Enchanting castles, ancient civilizations, magical forests, imposing sculptures, and jaw-dropping stage designs that rival Hollywood productions. For many, Tomorrowland surpasses a typical music festival. It feels like stepping into another reality. Chapter 2, selecting your year. Before diving into your plans, grasp this essential truth. Tomorrowland is not an impulsive escape. This requires thoughtful preparation. Tickets often disappear months before the event begins. Flight rates surge as the date approaches. Accommodations fill up quickly. The secret to success? Start planning 6 to 12 months in advance. Many seasoned travelers begin their arrangements nearly a year before. This may seem excessive, yet when thousands are vying for the same chance, early planning is your advantage. Chapter 3, the ticket quest. Ask any Tomorrowland regular what the hardest part of the journey is. Most will give the same response. Getting tickets. The demand consistently exceeds available slots. Millions strive each year for entry. A mere fraction succeed. Your strategy for securing tickets is vital. First, register for pre-registration. This step is critical to gain access to ticket sales. Then, gear up for the global ticket sale. It's a fierce contest. You might end up waiting in an online queue for hours. Even after such an effort, tickets may have already sold out. This is why many newcomers choose global journey packages. These packages combine festival tickets with transport and lodging. While they are more expensive, they often provide a reliable route into Tomorrowland. For international attendees, the ease of packages justifies the added cost. Chapter 4, the cost of Tomorrowland. Now let's talk about expenses. A common misconception is that the ticket is the primary expense. For those journeying from afar, this isn't typically the case. The heavy costs usually arise from travel arrangements, flights, accommodations, transportation, meals, insurance, and additional spending. Your financial plan will vary widely based on where you're traveling from. Travelers from Europe often spend under $1,000. Those coming from North America, Asia, or Australia generally find costs between $2,000 and $5,000. Luxury seekers may exceed that figure easily. The key is in early planning. The earlier you secure flights and accommodations, the more you save. Chapter 5. Reaching Belgium. Most international visitors will land at Brussels Airport. Thankfully, Belgium features one of Europe's top transport systems. Traveling from Brussels to Boom is quite simple. Trains connect major cities easily. Public transport is reliable. During Tomorrowland, special transport services are commonly available for festival goers. Many festival attendees make a wise choice. They extend their visit. Belgium is filled with charming cities, delectable food, stunning architecture, and famous chocolates. Brussels, Bruges, Ghent, and Antwerp are all worth exploring. If you're already traveling across oceans for Tomorrowland, why not turn it into a European adventure? Chapter 6. DreamVille, or hotel, stay. This is one of the most crucial decisions you'll face. Should you camp at DreamVille or choose a hotel instead? DreamVille is the official camping ground for Tomorrowland. To call it just a camp is a vast understatement. Picture a temporary city tailored for festival enthusiasts. Numerous tents, connections made from around the globe, food stores, countless activities, a vibrant market atmosphere, and a unique ambience that few have experienced. For many, DreamVille becomes an integral part of their adventure. The friendships formed are unparalleled. You awaken next to fellow festival goers from every corner of the world. You share stories, exchange flags, meet potential travel partners, and create memories that linger long after the final note fades. Alternatively, hotels provide a different experience. More comfort, increased privacy, better opportunities for rest, and a chance to recharge away from the excitement. Neither option is inherently better. Your choice ultimately depends on what matters most to you. Chapter 7. Essentials to pack. Packing poorly could cause significant hassles. Belgium's weather can be quite unpredictable. One moment, the sun might shine brightly. In the next, rain could start pouring. Wise travelers prepare for different weather conditions. Comfortable shoes are essential. You'll walk countless miles each day. Portable chargers are highly advisable. A reusable water bottle can be incredibly useful. Don't forget rain gear. And most importantly, pack lightly to maintain mobility. Be mindful. Everything you carry may need to be transported over sizable distances. Overpacking is a common mistake for newcomers. Chapter 8. Experiencing the festival. Then comes that thrilling moment. The gates swing open. In an instant, you're enveloped in Tomorrowland's enchanting embrace. One common error for first-timers is clinging to the main stage. While it's spectacular, it's just one aspect of the experience. Tomorrowland features multiple stages, each overflowing with unique vibes and music styles. Some of the most memorable performances occur far from the busy crowds. Dare to venture forth. Wander freely. Let yourself get lost in exploration. Discover new artists you've never encountered before. Tomorrowland is crafted for those ready to explore. Chapter 9. Culinary delights and budgeting. Festival dining has transformed significantly over the years. Tomorrowland showcases a surprisingly diverse culinary experience. Guests can choose from quick snacks to gourmet meals. However, costs can spiral quickly. Budget carefully. Many festival goers focus solely on ticket prices and overlook costs once inside. Establishing a daily budget will help you avoid financial surprises. Chapter 10. Avoiding common first-timer mistakes. Postponing your planning. Underestimating overall costs. Ignoring weather forecasts. Overpacking items. Neglecting to stay hydrated. Missing transport schedules. And trying to do it all. Always keep this in mind. Tomorrowland is not about checking off boxes. It's about savoring unforgettable experiences. Embrace spontaneity to create a more memorable journey. Conclusion. Tomorrowland rises above mere music festivals. It celebrates a tapestry of cultures, a convergence of dreamers worldwide, a beautiful reminder that music unites people from all walks of life. Whether embarking from across continents or oceans, planning strategically turns a daunting task into an incredible journey. For countless people, Tomorrowland is among their life's top adventures, and for some, it marks just the beginning of their story. If attending Tomorrowland has long been your dream, start planning now. Your future self will thank you. This is KrossTrail. And until our next quest, keep exploring.